Yeah.
True hippie.
Bushfires on the news. We gotta move. Jump in the U.
So what's the big secret? How do we start achieving our goals? If we're writing them down, how are we going to start achieving them? Well, my secret is there's no secret. The secret is really around your routine and what that looks like for you. Everybody's routine, everybody's lifestyle is going to be different. So just like goals, you're going to feel uncomfortable at the start of the process. So with a routine and trying to create the new routine in your life and a new lifestyle, creating really positive habits and replacing the poor ones, it's going to feel uncomfortable at the start, but it's not about copying anyone else. It's about what works for you. Here's some tips around how I do it and how I started creating routine. When I was in those periods of depression and I was struggling to get my head off the pillow, it was important that my routine had some kind of momentum, and these were the things that helped me. So I broke my day up into before work, during work, and after work. And I've got in the workbook here. So before work, we want to pack our own lunch, we want to stretch, we want to write our goals down, we want to make our bed. These are some core things that you can do to start ticking off and actually achieving something for the day. This gives us great momentum and also allows us to see what kind of positive attitude we can bring into the day and start having a look at how we can start achieving our goals. During work, looking presentable, having a positive attitude, arriving early, these are all things that are going to impress your boss, but it's also about you. It's about your lifestyle. It's about creating this pathway in your brain in terms of a positive routine and momentum and energy cycle that's going to help you achieve your goals. You can't be writing things down and then be having poor habits and having this stop-start kind of routine in your life. It's not going to work. You're not going to be achieving your goals. So the secret is creating routine around what works for you. One of the big tips is what we do after we finish our work. Because often if we're in construction, we're feeling absolutely knackered. We don't want to do anything. We actually want to have something to eat, lie down and go to bed. We're really not that engaged around our goals and what it is we want to create for our life in the future. But it's important that we stay focused. So I've put in the workbook here what I do. So when I come home from work, I have a shower. It actually releases the day. It finishes my work day off and allows me to sort of reset and start thinking about what it is I want out of the future. Prepare or cook my dinner, and then I read the goals out that I wrote down in the morning and I have a think about it. I say to myself, what is something that I can do right now to start achieving that goal? And if you're dreaming big, you're often going to feel really stuck with what you can do right there and then. But one of the things is part of a visualization process. This is really important to stay focused on your dreams. So what is it that you can do right now? Well, if it's sailing around the Caribbean, print out a picture of a yacht and put it on your bedroom door. Have it something where you can see it is going to make it really tangible. It's going to keep it in your focus. If it's getting a new car or something like that, start researching them online. Start having a look at how much they cost. Start having a look at how much you need to start putting away for a deposit. These are all little small things that you can start doing at the end of each day that give you momentum to look at the big picture stuff.
I'm gonna show you how great I am. How great I am. I'm gonna show you